Welcome to the Windows Club. If your computer suddenly freezes while watching videos, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. First of all, run an appropriate troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Troubleshoot. Then select Other Troubleshooters. Scroll down and select the video playback troubleshooter. Basically, you need to click on run corresponding to it. The next solution will be either to roll back your graphics card driver or uninstall the latest Windows update. We will do the second one. Right click on the start button and select settings. In the settings window, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select update history. Scroll down and click on uninstall updates. You'll find the latest update with the KB number here. Right click on it and select uninstall. The next solution will be to update or reinstall your graphics card driver. A better way to do so is to go to intel.com and search for the graphics card driver in the Intel search bar at the top right corner. Download the graphics card drivers, the zip file, and install it on your system. The next solution will be to troubleshoot in a clean boot state. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the Run window. In the Run window, type the command msconfig and hit Enter. This will open the System Configuration window. Go to the Services tab. Check the box associated with Hide all Microsoft services. If any other service is active, select Disable all. Click on Apply and then on OK. After this, click on Restart to reboot your system in the clean boot state. Lastly, you can consider performing an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. In the elevated command prompt window, type the command SFC /scan now and hit Enter. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.